Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Tools. In today's video, I'll be highlighting you quick on how to use the blockchain flasher software to generate Flash crypto to my metamask wallet. Let me log in my metamask wallet so you guys can see the amount we're having. We're not having amounts yet in the wallet, so with that being said, let's go to our blockchain flasher software and generate the Flash coin. So if this is your first time using blockchain flasher software, you have to purchase your activation key. This is how it works. First, you purchase a credit license pin in which you come with your activation key. Then you activate your account. After activating your account, you sell you'll be you'll be directed to your dashboard. After you directed to your dashboard, you can start generating Flash instantly. So I already have credit license on my account, so let me click on login and log in my account live on screen. This is the credit license I've purchased so far from the blockchain flasher software. So let me go back to my metamask wallet and copy my BTC address in which will be found in live on screen. So let me click on copy. So you can see the address has been copied. So without wasting much of your time, let me go to my blockchain flasher software to generate the Flash crypto. So we click on send. After clicking send, we enter the amount we send in. So for this video tutorial, we send in 10 million Flash BTC to our metamask wallet. So we paste the address we just copied from my metamask wallet and click on send. Well, you can see crypto send successful. So you can see the amount and the transaction we have generated so far. So let's go back. Let me go back and see if I've been debited. Yeah, I've been debited. So let's go to my metamask wallet and check if the BTC has arrived. Let me refresh and see. You know, it's BTC, so it might take some time before it reflects. This is my channel. I do post steady web tools. I do post educational video on how to generate Flash coin. If you just need this coin, or if you need the software, I'll be leaving the link on my channel bio. These are all the transactions I've made so far for my I've sent so far. So you can see, you can also see the date and the time over there. So let me refresh once again and see. Wow, you all can see the BTC has reflected successful. Same put this in my eyes only, and wow, you all can see live on screen the BTC has reflected successful. That's one thing I love about this blockchain flasher. If you are not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you for watching till the end.